So Neha will now share with you.
Yeah. So what we are trying to willing to offer from our end is that each and every one of you who's attended these 2 sessions, I would request them to create some tentative. I want you all to go thinking. Like, I don't expect you all to do it in the next 5 minutes because it would be unreasonable. But you all go back, use the weekend to think. I think 2 days is more than enough to think. On Monday, okay, this very Monday, I need to hear from each and every one of you, whoever is interested. Okay, then I will assume those people to be the ones who I'm supposed to carry forward work with. Okay, you tell me on Monday how many people are going to follow up in doing something concrete about stuff we've heard over last 2 days, which means that how many of y'all are now ready to start planning for your careers. Okay, yeah. So y'all have to call me on Monday. I only raise of hand will not do now because I don't want anybody to make a reactive decision, right? हाँ हाँ सब हाथ ऊपर कर लिया फिर जब काम आया काम करने को कोई आया नहीं. Okay, so I need, and all of y'all have to talk to me on Monday. All of y'all have the center number, correct? I would assume I would ideally want my entire Sunday to be only spent on the phone because I would assume that all of you all would call, right? And yeah, all the Xavier students don't need to call. You all can come and meet me, correct? But the point is that then we can take our ideas forward because I'm sure each and every one of you all have a different need here. We can't generalize to that extent, correct? But the main areas that you would got to think about, yeah, sorry. Correct, exactly. Exactly.
Computer programming
Exactly.
and things like that. Why don't you say so?
Yeah.
Just put up your hands and say, this is what I want to do.
Right.
And then how are you going to do it? This is where Neha comes in and helps you.
Right. It's about all of y'all identifying what things y'all are interested in doing in the long term, what skills, you know what Sam essentially spoke about, what core skills y'all think y'all need to improve. These are what, she said. It could be computers, it could be communication, it could be anything. Yeah.
No criticism meant, but one of the weakest points among very many visually challenged persons is their command over English. Okay? And we are living in a globalized world, and more so, we are going to live in a global village. And one of our greatest strengths will be our capacity for fluent speech and very smooth and clean writing. And for whatever you do, you need to learn effective writing, effective reading, effective speaking. And that's why reading becomes a very major habit. No matter what you do, even if you're doing business, even if you're doing computer programming, you need to read. In fact, that could be one of your most important tasks you set yourself. You may say, I have not decided on a career right now. No problem. But as correctly pointed out just now, pick up a few core skills, work on those. Reading, important communication skills, typing faster on the computer. Those skills you're going to use no matter what you do, right? Unless you're going to sit at home and some Bill Gates is going to put money in your pocket every month. Right? So,
yeah. So I think that's pretty much what we have to offer from our end. You all have any questions about what we want to offer, what we can offer?
Dhananjay want to share something.
Yeah.
Madam, I want to commit one thing over here.
Right.
Actually, I have a very clear goal.
Okay.
And that I already have shared with you all people.
Right.
But one thing I lack is English communication.
Okay.
Because I'm I belongs to a very small village.
Right.
I would like to share some one or two ridiculous things. Our English teacher means in 11th, 12th and 12th, he was teaching English in Marathi. So one more ridiculous thing I would like to share that. No, whatever you say. Again, one thing I would like to share, our physics teacher means it is not exactly that kind, but it is in the form of joke that in what language he speaks. Take a 5 centimeter wire of any length. These kind of English I was listening. So I was, even after 12th, I am having 7 years of university education, but still I am having several problem. Even I can't speak for 5 minutes or 10 minutes.
Correct.
It is very I can say shameful for me.
Huh.
And being a HR having a postgraduate degree in HR, but I can't have good English communication. So that is very bad thing. So I have committed to improve my English within few months. So
Brilliant,
okay.
Dhananjay. One of the most important things I would say is pick up one fiction book, one non-fiction book, and every month try to read both. And automatically, what will happen is subconsciously you start absorbing the language. Okay, so that's a very good point you're making, and congratulations to you.
I would like to have your help in. I'm Siddhant from Pune.
Right.
We have this organization in Pune, Nivant Andha Mukta Vikasalaya,
Right.
and there people from Canbay Software,
Huh.
their VCare unit,
Right.
it's an NGO.
Right.
People from there come and have been teaching us BPO and also taking some personality development programs
Right.
every Saturday.
Right.
So now what we are trying to figure out is to make a particular syllabus
Huh.
for visually challenged who pass out from the 10th blind school,
Right.
so that they can get into English speaking mode and communication.
Correct.
And maybe you can help us with that, like
Sure.
figuring out the exact syllabus and how can we
Definitely.
manage it.
Definitely. Yeah. Okay. So I need y'all. I'm still leaving it at that. That on Monday I need to hear from this entire group, and I'm very serious about this. Okay. I am not going to follow up. If y'all don't think you have our center numbers, you can take it down right now. It's 22623298. Okay. It's 22623298. That is. That I don't remember. That they got confused with both the numbers. But it's 22623298. I need to hear from how many of y'all are going to take this idea forward, or how many of y'all have just come here for a 2-day picnic. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Right. Okay. Is there anything else that Sam wants to say?
I will take up that. Okay, I'm going to wrap up now, and after that we will be having a little vote of thanks. So the last word will go to the person whose idea it was to set up the seminar. I'd firstly like to give a very big thank you to Rajesh Mehta, who is here. And it is thanks to him that he pushed me to act and also pushed IBM to sponsor. And that's how this event is happening. It is actually a brilliant child of Rajesh. And Rajesh, we really appreciate your involvement. He's not just said, okay, do this. Let me tell you, we have been talking on the phone, I don't know how many times in the last couple of weeks about this. The idea was sown in March, April. It's only fructified now. And we need to take things further. And based on the experience we have with this little experiment in terms of follow-up, we could upscale the whole program in subsequent years. But the first thing is I need to see our experience. So on behalf of all of us, I firstly want everybody to say a big thank you to Rajesh. Yeah. So before we give our little token of thanks to Rajesh, there's a little message he'd like to give you, and then I want to end on, I don't like to leave the mic, so I have to talk last.
That's the professorship. First and foremost, definitely I appreciate the efforts what entire XRCVC has put up here. And let me tell you, though we might be having beautiful clothes to wear, we might be having beautiful specs to wear. In fact, I still remember one amongst our audience here who is sitting right in the front, Mamta, she writes one very, very beautiful thought down her signature. Mamta, would you like to say? No, please go ahead. Go ahead. Take the mic. The Helen Keller one? Take it. Take it. Yeah.
Can you just tell me what was it? Angel, no.
Yeah, Mamta. All right. She doesn't remember. That's the tragedy. That always happens with Mahan लोगों के साथ यही होता है. Anyways, she writes, and at least whether she writes anything or not, but I make a point to open her mail at least once a day to read that particular thought. And she writes, and it's a quote by Helen Keller, the biggest tragedy of the human being. Right? So I go back, little step back, and I say that though I said a word, which I always doing so past 7-8 years, right from the time when I got into the I got to know about Sam Tharapurwala and then, to his skills and all those things. Okay, since then, I started pushing for various things, but what is more important is giving efforts, working towards it, and especially making you all sit in this particular cool room. Right? So that's where XRCVC plays very important role. So on behalf of entire IBM, on behalf of Ashutosh Dhaneja, I actually thank Sam, you and Neha and entire team who is putting up this entire...
Aniket and they have put in a lot of work, and we've had a whole team of volunteers.
So, no. What? All right. Before we actually... Hold on. Before I get on to that particular climax, all right, beautiful, stereotypical climax, I was known as a Tapori number 1 in my college, which I'm till date I'm known for that. Let me tell you that. All right. Now, and which I'm going to prove in another 2 minutes to you all. Okay. Now, I do not know many of you individually, though I have heard each of your names through some or the other mouth, but I want all of your introduction in very, very different manner. Okay, and what we are going to apply here, the model, is the accepting challenge and giving the challenge. So I will take only 2 minutes. I know that we are coming from 3 different groups, one from Pune, one from Vivi, and one from XRCV, and the rest. So what we will do, we will say one group, number 1 as a Pune group, second one as a Vivi group, and third one as a rest all. Are we all clear? No, together, XRCVC and others. Now what I want to hear, that who's loud, whose noise, which group's noise is loud. Now understand and take this very positively that I hold the mic. Okay, so I'm competitive enough. The sound which I will give, okay, you have to say that you are accepting the challenge and you have to beat me there. Am I very clear? Okay, so first challenge, who would like to take? Pune? Okay, now what you have to say, you have to follow me, okay? The statement. I want to do. Bitten up. Come on, say that. Let me see that, you could also beat me here.
What did you say? I didn't follow.
I want to do.
Between voice or between what you want to do? I want to do.
Right? You have to say that loudly together, okay?
Okay. Yes.
Don't give them a mic. Please don't give them a mic. All right? I want to do. 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 Now, very good. Did you all like this? Okay. The next challenge, who is ready to take? XRCVC and the rest. Okay? Did you hear the noise level what they were saying? Okay. So go ahead, Pune team, and say that, and they have to beat you now. Come on. 1, 2, 3, Pune team. All right. Wait. There is a police here. Okay. And now, VV group. Let me tell you, no, the numbers doesn't matter. Number doesn't matter to me. All right. I would like to hear a very beautiful lady's voice. I know, and VV has the most female voices. All right. So let's say that if XRCVC and the rest of the group gets together, and Pune along with the Pune group, how could you beat them up? Right? Is VV group ready to take that challenge? Yes. Yeah? Pune group and XRCVC, would you give them a challenge also? Yes. So VV group, all yours. The moment I say 1, 2, 3, Pune group and XRCVC has to say that, and then VV group will follow. We'll see that. All right? 1, 2, 3, go! Come on. And finally, all right. Now, I do understand that all you are saying and louding, I want to do, but what do you want to do? Yeah, that's the biggest question. Okay? So, for answer, which all of us, we all are going to say together, I will find out and I will do it. So, only the statement what we are going to say now is, I will do it. I will do it. I will do it. Right? And how? By giving a call on Monday and torturing Neha.
Well, thank you very much, Rajesh. Before we wind up, there's a little thanking apart from Rajesh and IBM to Prashant, Neha, Aniket, Tej, all our volunteers from college. A big thank you to you. And and also our own XRCVC students who have been involved in the process. I'd also like to thank Shushmita for sitting on my head and getting things done. Right, Shushmita? And I'd appreciate the involvement of everybody wanting to come. And Siddhant, thank you for your group. I'd like... thank you. Surbhi, on behalf of all of us, could you give a little token to Rajesh, please? Yeah.
I accept this on behalf of the entire
Yeah, thanks. Yeah. Yes, Siddhant.
When we are done with our program, we would like to conduct the pledge that we conduct in Nivan Tandamukta Vikasale. It has been written by the director of the...
Yeah. Before that, we'll have a little song. Could we have a song? All of you have heard the song Hum Ho Gaye Kamyab? Yes. Do you know the words? Or do you want the song to play along? Which way? It's a filmy version of it, but maybe, Aniket? But I want you all to sing, huh?
कामयाब हम होंगे कामयाब हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन हो मन में विश्वास पूरा है विश्वास हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन चारों ओर होंगी शांति चारों ओर होंगी शांति चारों ओर एक दिन हो मन में है विश्वास पूरा है विश्वास होंगी कामयाब एक दिन विश्वास पूरा है विश्वास एक दिन के साथ साथ हाथों में हाथ हम चलेंगे साथ साथ एक दिन हो मन में है विश्वास पूरा है विश्वास हम चलेंगे साथ साथ एक दिन किसी का आज नहीं भय किसी का आज नहीं डर किसी का आज के दिन हो मन में है विश्वास पूरा है विश्वास नहीं डर किसी का आज के दिन कामयाब हम होंगे कामयाब हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन हो मन में है विश्वास पूरा है विश्वास हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन
See, we are getting you into a mindset, and I'd like to end before that pledge with a little poem.
Yeah, I will have.
It's a very simple poem. In fact, we'll put it onto your CD, which we are going to give a few weeks later. The title of the poem is The Man Who Thinks He Can. Ladies, it includes you. Okay, are you ready to listen? Okay. If you think you are beaten, you are. Have you heard this poem before? I repeat. If you think you are beaten, you are. If you think you dare not, you don't. If you would like to win, but you think you can't, it's almost certain you won't. If you think you'd lose, you have lost. For out in this world we find success begins with a fellow's will. It is all in the state of mind. If you think you are outclassed, you are. You've got to think high to rise. You have to be sure of yourself before you can win a prize. Life's battles don't always go to the stronger or the faster man, but sooner or later, the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. Okay? Well, these claps I'm not bothered about. It's action. It's action, action, and action. And Siddhant wanted to end with a little pledge. So I guess that would be a fitting climax. And after that, the Pune group, before you leave, there's a short feedback form you want you all to fill up. Okay. Our volunteers will help the others also fill them up thereafter. Okay? So we'll do it very fast.
Yes.
We are on time, Siddharth. And I hope you all have learned one thing about this is time management.
Yes, yes, true.
Okay, Siddharth.
Okay, we all will say the pledge. I would like all of you to stand up and follow us, please. Yeah, हाथ खाली. Okay. Please pay attention and follow us. There are problems in the world. We will solve them. There are hindrances on the road. We will cross them. There are difficulties in life. We will overcome them. There are questions in life. We will answer them. In spite of problems, hindrances, difficulties, and questions.
Life is beautiful.
Life is beautiful. We, the students of Nihanta
solemnly pledge that
solemnly pledge that
we will try to
make this world
more beautiful a place
to
live in.
The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Jai Hind.